What is average weekly wage, in workers' compensation? Imagine you're injured at work and wondering how much money you'll receive while you're unable to work. One key number that helps determine your benefits is called the average weekly wage. This figure is used to calculate how much you get paid during your recovery. It's not just your regular paycheck. It includes all the money you earned before your injury. That means wages, overtime, bonuses, and even some benefits are part of this calculation. The goal is to find out what you normally earned each week before you got hurt. To do this, your employer or the insurance company looks at your wages over a certain period. Usually, they review the last 13 weeks before your injury. If you worked steadily during that time, they add up all your earnings and divide by 13. This gives a clear weekly average of what you earned. Sometimes, if you haven't worked that long or your schedule varies, they might look at similar workers or adjust the numbers. For seasonal workers or those with irregular hours, they might estimate your earnings based on typical workdays in a year, like 200 or 300 days, and then divide by 52 weeks. This calculation is very important because your workers' compensation benefits are often based on a percentage of your average weekly wage. Usually, it's about 2/3 of your For example, if your is $800, your weekly benefit might be around $533. This helps replace your lost income while you recover. Employers are required to give detailed wage statements to the insurance company. These documents show exactly how much you earned in the period before your injury. Having accurate wage records is essential because if your is calculated too low, you could end up with less money than you deserve. Sometimes, legal advocates review these records to make sure the calculation is fair. Knowing your helps you understand what benefits you should receive. It also gives you a way to check if the amount offered is correct. If you think your wages were not calculated properly, you can challenge it and ask for a review. This way, you can make sure you get the right amount to support you during your recovery.